What's going on, everybody? Hey, it is Meister My Lawn, and I am just coming back from my biometric screening. And yeah, you know, it's always nice, always great to make sure you know your numbers, where you're standing, what you should be doing, kind of like your lawn. Want to keep that body healthy, guys. But anyway, it is going to be a long day. All right, guys, I'm home and I'm ready to start. I'm excited. I did one little pass with the Dethatcher and it's gonna be exactly what I need. It looks really good right now. I do see the soil, which is really good. I'm just getting up anything that's still left over residual wise. I'm gonna hit the whole yard with that. So hang tight and let's give it a watch. Okay, guys, this is no joke, man. This is a lot. This is insane. The dethatch did really well, but the grass that it was getting up, it's insane. But yeah, this is tough work, guys. I want it to be done right. I really want to see that soil. That seed to soil contact is very important. All right, everybody, I hope you guys are having a great day. I know I'm having a great day. It is almost 12:30. We take you around, you can see, and it looks really good, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, let's look at it. That side done. Look at the difference. That is Bermuda, and now this is gonna be perennial. That Bermuda is gonna die off, but don't look good from here, folks. Ooh wee! Had to do a little promo video there. You'll know in about 2-3 weeks. All right, guys. So after a nice little break, took a little lunch break, had a couple work meetings, but now it's time to throw down some seed. I want a Scott's drop spreader. So I figured that would be the best for throwing down the seed. Again, I've never done this before. This seems like it would be the best. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see what it does. And yeah, let's get to it. Enough talking. Let's throw down some seed, but let's look at this seed first. Go, guys. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to see what this could look like in about a week or two. So let's drop it. All right, seed is down, guys. Seed is down. Now it's time to throw down a very thin layer of my Black Kow right down there. And that's some good soil / manure. It's really good stuff. I already put some here in my wheelbarrow. I'm gonna take it out there and I'm gonna sling it. And again, this is not for leveling, and it's just for a little top dress, just to kind of hold it in place, keep it moist, keep it moist, keep it moist when it gets water. And yeah, so let's do it. All right guys, so as you can see, my thin layer of Black Kow Cow Manure 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 is down all the way up to there, basically right here. Let's see if I can finish. Got my bags right back there. I gotta hurry. All right guys, so that's all she wrote. She is seated and top dressed, and I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what this is gonna turn out to be. So stay tuned, and well, I'll be letting you know pretty soon. But yeah, you guys have a great one.